Welcome everybody. Wanted to come back and touch base again on MEGAETH. Last video I come to you and letting you know that we had some bearish pressure coming on MEGAETH, and we came down and touched the levels that I was calling for. We came down to 11.9, 12 cents. And now we're kind of seeing a rebound with some more buying to come in here. And somebody had commented, brought some information in the comment about an airdrop. And I just wanted to come and bring yesterday. I think it was yesterday, I wanted to come and give you an update on a crypto that I had come across and thought it was real valuable and wanted to come and let you know about it without digging into heavy research on with MEGAETH. So it got launched, I think, the 30th of April, and the day's the 7th of, May. This is the 7th of May. So, once a crypto gets listed on Binance, they do the airdrop. And most people, they take profit. So I think what I seen on Grok, let me get back over here on Grok. Let's see. Give me a minute. Right here. And what happened at launch, April 30th, 2026, MEGAETH launched on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, etc. It got listed on all the major exchanges. The token opened around 18 to 22 cents. I think on one of them, on TradingView, I seen it spike all the way up to 36 or 38 cents. It quickly dropped around 30 to 38% within 72 hours, trading down to around 13, 14 cent range. And main reason for the sell pressure that we've seen in the last couple of days on Mega is caused the airdrop recipients selling. Many users who received the initial launch airdrop or testnet rewards sold immediately for profits. Reports showed thousands of airdrop wallets dumping their allocations right after the listing. And this happens a lot with every crypto, gets that people buy in early before it gets listed on exchanges. This is what happened. Early investors, once it launches, they go ahead and sell for their profits. So early investors and public sale participants taking profits. Public sale buyers at 0.0999, right at 10 cents, had big gains and sold. Early backers, some bought as low as 2 cents, unlocked portions and exited. Unlocked supply hitting the market. A significant amount of tokens became tradable at TGE, creating immediate selling pressure against relative thin liquidity at the start. This is a very common pattern in crypto launches. Buy the rumor, sell the news, plus airdrop farmers dumping. So we look at it, the current status on May 8th, 2026. The heavy initial dump has mostly happened. The Season 1 points program, 2.5% of supply, is still running until June 23rd. This will cause more gradual selling pressure as points are calculated weekly, but it's spread out and smaller than the launch unlock. So as we go along until June 23rd, we're going to see, we're still going to see, gradual some more selling pressure. but we'll get to the chart in a minute. Yes, the launch, airdrop, and unlocks were a major driver of the post-launch bearish move. This is typical for new tokens. The price has been correcting since then. The future price action will depend more on actual usage, TVL growth, and hitting performance KPLs. So, and then I went right on, and asked Rock another, about recovering back to the price that it launched, recovering after this airdrop, this sell-off. So the current price is sitting around 12.1, 12.8 cents. Launch price April 30th they got it at 22 cents. It dumped hard right after listing. It's down 45% from launch highs due to airdrop selling and profit taking. And right here, will it recover to 22 cents soon? Because as time goes on, it's going to an awesome project, the king of L2s, I do believe, for Ethereum. What they've been needing, I think, has arrived on Ethereum. I mean, with MegaETH. It's going to turn this around for Ethereum, and it's going to be bullish for Ethereum, and it's also going to be bullish for MEGAETH holders, and that's what I want to bring to your attention. So the time frame, we're looking at the next 2 to 4 weeks. Likelihood of reaching 22 cents is low to medium. Ongoing season 1 points farming, and it ends June 23rd. More gradual selling pressure. Technicals still bearish. And we still got bearish technicals right now. We're seeing a bounce here on the chart I showed you earlier, but still, it's recovering. But the next 1 to 3 months, likelihood of reaching 22 cents, 1 to 3 months is medium to high. So time is okay. After June, we can look for somewhere getting closer to the end of June. MEGAETH recovering good. If TVL keeps growing, 600 million plus, that's plus already. Already 600 million plus already, TVL. Ecosystem usage improves and broader market recovers. And we're looking at the end of 2026, likelihood of reaching 22 cents. High, many analysts say. Strong fundamentals if network hits next KPIs. Why recovery might take longer. More selling pressure ahead. Season 1 airdrop, 2.5% of supply. Rewards will be distributed after June 23rd. Many farmers will sell. Technicals, still in the short-term downtrend, needs to break above 14, 15 cents first to show real strength, and I agree with that. Market settlement, post-launch dumps are common. Many L2 tokens take months to recover. But there's a bullish factor to this that could help. MEGAETH has strong TVL growth, 600 million to 800 million recently, and that's real activity. Performance focused L2, very fast with good backers. Next big catalyst, hitting USDM supply milestones, unlocks more token utility. Reaching 22 cents again is realistic if the project delivers on adoption, but expecting it in just a couple of weeks is optimistic. A more profitable near-term target is 15 to 16 cents first, then push higher if settlement turns. So, and we get back over here on the chart. Let's see where we at. So I think it was Well, I know, I seen it somewhere. I think that's where it's at right now. As you can see, MEGAETH is stabilizing. It's forming this local bottom, as you can see here. Right here at 11.8, 11.9, that's at the 382 down here. That's you could say that's our main support. We've dipped down there. We've just about hit it right there at 11.9. We've hit it twice, and it's staying up in this area right here where we at. We're pushing back up on the 30-minute chart. Let's get over to the 4-hour chart. I'm going to show you. Right around this area right here, 11.8, 11. Well, about the same thing. We could put a line right there. We could say that's a support level right there. We need to stay above that level right there. But as we can see, we're starting to move up, but finding some resistance getting above 12.1 cent. This is our first area of resistance. We did wick our way up to 12.2, almost 12.3 cents, and we have pulled back a little bit. So what I look for in the next couple of days is kind of as we just form a local bottom right here. We're here where we at. And then as we recover from this airdrop from launch, we can see MEGAETH pushing back up. Love to see, I'd say in the next couple of days, see, this is all green candles down here on the 1-hour chart. This is all green. A lot of buying going on. So it looks like the main settlement in the market on MEGAETH is now, since the airdrop, now we got people coming in, new investors coming in, investing in ETH. And now we can see a bounce here. Next area we want to get into is here between the 618 and the 0.5, the half. This area right up in here. We want to get back up above 12.5 cents, somewhere up to 12.7 cents. Let's build some support levels going back up. And that's not, I'm not wanting to look and get a quick recovery. Let's take our time and recover slowly. Because as we move up now, you're gonna see MEGAETH at times pull back because of these airdrops. People, they don't let them all. They don't release them all at one time. You got people that's been farming this, and they're releasing so much as a loan until June 23rd. And you could see, as we go along, you could see, let me see, like we come down, we could work our way up, kind of up like this, and then start consolidating a little bit. We could, from this point, we could come back down, touch that 382, and then get in this area right here and consolidate, and then gradually grind our way up like this, and move right on back up to the top up here at 13.2 cent. And that's what I want to bring to your attention. But the next level to break above, once we get above 13.2 cents, The next level is going to be up here at 1.618, breaking out above 14 cents, holding this area up here at the top, getting up here in this range. That's going to be our next milestone. So over the next couple of days, now we could see a big move up on Bitcoin with this massive, because let me tell you something, all Binance, Robinhood, Coinbase, this token got launched on all three big exchanges. So what we're going to see over the next few days is people figuring out this token has been launched. We're going to see buying pressure come in here. You're going to see open interest move up. Because this might be the greatest thing that's ever happened to Ethereum. And you get investors coming back off of Solana back to Ethereum when they see this. And if it's got to perform well, it's got to do what it's created to do. Fast settlements, low fees. It's got to do what it's created to do, and start being battle tested. So with the security that's on Ethereum, with this layer 2 sitting on top of Ethereum, you could see massive adoption. You could see the price come back in the next bull run and really surprise people on Ethereum. Ethereum don't look too good right now. It's sitting at $2,285, and it's high for this cycle was around about $5,000. I don't think it hit 5,000. It could have, but I won't waste my time. But this could be a major improvement. And who's to say? Tom Lee doing what he's doing, he's probably known about this and seen what MEGAETH can do. And he's knowing, he's going against all odds, taking the risk that this project right here, MEGAETH, it's going to be a big improvement to Ethereum and move this project up in price. He's going to be smiling all the way. Well, you could say bank, but he's going to be smiling all the way back to the blockchain, if you want to say. And his investors in the next bull run cycle is going to be, well, it's going to happen before the next. It's going to be when the bull cycle starts. When we turn bullish on Bitcoin in the market, his investors is going to be very, very happy. So I'm thinking the way Tom Lee's thinking, but he's not come out. I haven't heard him say nothing much. If he has, I'll look it up and see if he's covered anything on this MEGAETH project. But he's going to be very successful, I do believe. And you can see this token getting up to $10, $20, all the way up to $50 plus now, and sitting at 12 cents. So if you come by this channel, you'll be like, oh, I ain't got time to listen to him. He don't interest me, but the ones that do, they're gonna be laughing at y'all. The ones that didn't subscribe and listen to these cryptos I'm bringing you, and didn't do your research and do your investing, you're gonna wish you had in the next bull run. Once this market turns around, I don't think MEGAETH is going to go much lower. We could hit it. We could see it come back. Somewhere around the -618 down here at at times, but buying's going to catch up with the selling on these airdrops. You wait and see. You wait and see. And this project's going to turn bullish. The first, it's going to go back to its highs, 22 cents, and it's just going to continue on. TVL's going to grow like you wouldn't believe it. I think TVL's done almost a 10x in the last 4 months. This project's going to really do well. Really do well. So I'm accumulating, and I hope y'all are too. This is what we do. We bring you these gems, these crypto gems with the biggest and the possible return investment in the crypto space. Clarity Act gets passed, and you wait. With the security on Ethereum, with this MEGAETH Layer 2 sitting on top of Ethereum, it's going to really do well. It's going to bring speed, going to bring down the cost, what it costs to use Ethereum, their fees. It's going to settle a big majority that was hurting Ethereum. Because it's the king of altcoins, really. Bitcoin's like the king of the whole crypto market. But you got Ethereum in a bull run. You got Bitcoin, which is the next one after Bitcoin. The very next one to rally after Bitcoin is who? Ethereum. It ain't the Solana, it ain't the XRP, it's Ethereum. That's the way it goes. That's the way it cycles. So, when you hit euphoria, Tom Lane's going to be, I do believe people talk, hard on him, bad on him, making bad decisions like investing in Ethereum. I think he knew about this project, MEGAETH, and nobody really, they heard of it, but he knew the full details. He knew the full details. And he's probably seen it somewhere battle tested. And he knew this was going to be a success. Now, do we know that 100%? No, I don't know that. But I do believe it is. I do believe this is what Ethereum's been needing. And it's got it. It's here. So, I'm going to leave you with that. If you love the content, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Comment if you like. But be sure to hit that like button. And until the next time, we'll see you on the next project.